Okay, so let's look at this question. When taking a 5-question multiple choice test where each question has 3 possible answers. So that tells us that n equals 5 and it tells us that p is 1/3. It is unusual to get or more questions correct by guessing alone. Notice in our workbook it talks about the number of trials and the number of successes being unusually low. So we're going to be looking at greater than or equal. So let's take a look at doing that. So when we go into our applications, we see that n equals 5 and the probability is 1/3. And we can ask the question, how many can we expect to get correct and still be less than 5%? So for example, when there's 2 or more, right? So 2, 3, 4, or 5, the probability is 54% approximately. When we're interested in 3 or more, the probability is 21%. When we're looking at 4 or more, the probability is now 4.5%. That's less than 5%. So it is unusual to get 4 or more questions correct by guessing alone. Let's look at what happens with 5. And of course it goes down because by guessing alone, that basically means that we're multiplying 1/3 by itself 5 times. So let's go back to the first number that worked. That is the smallest number that worked. So we can get 4 or more questions correct by chance alone. That would happen less than 5% of the time, and we would say that that is unusual. So going back to the question, we'd say that our answer is 4.